Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Boy, what a difference a letter can make. This has the letter R in the VIN code, and that makes it a 427 dual quad. This is a monster motor underneath this car. Very, very rare, sought after by Ford collectors. It's a 1963 Ford Galaxie. Two other letters that are important is the XL. That's the deluxe model with the bucket seats and console and all the trim. So it's an XL R code. That's a big deal. If you go to volocars.com, that's where I'll have all the specs, photos top to bottom, pricing of this car and a few hundred other cars. They're all for sale at volocars.com. But right now, why don't you join me and we'll go for a spin in a 63 XL 500 R code Galaxie. It's a ground-up restored car. Even underneath is all detailed, all the assembly line markings on the suspension, the fuel system, the brake system, the suspension, steering, all looks like it's been restored. Rust-free floors, the inner rockers, all of that's real clean. Photos are on our website. You can check that out. The body is absolutely straight. It's an older restoration, and it looks like it was just done. I mean, it's holding up really well. All the gaps are really nice. I love it when a door just shuts like a new car. There's no bubbling, anything like that. So the paint's a beautiful color. Does have some cracks right here for some reason, and a few minor imperfections, but it shows well. Standing here, it looks like a show car. The trim is exceptionally nice. All the trim sparkles. It's all straight and shiny. Deluxe mirror is beautiful, but all this stuff has been restored. Even the wiper arms, windshield's crystal clear, the emblems. So the chrome, I give it a 2 big thumbs up. It's all beautiful. Even the hubcaps, the spears on the fender. But here's our little rock chip. That's why I said there'll be a few minor flaws, but great condition. The anodized grille is beautiful. It's straight and shiny. And this right here, this emblem, that opens your hood. I think it's pretty cool. If I can find the other latch. And there's the star of the show, the 427 R code, dual quads. It's just all carburetor. From here to here, it's all carburation. It's got the factory cast iron headers. And this car just came in. It's all numbers matching, and this car is documented with a build sheet. Very few of these have their original build sheet. I have to personally verify the numbers and codes, which I haven't done, but the owner was very convincing that everything's matching. He gave me pictures of the numbers and codes, so I'm sure that's all going to check out just fine. The interior, also 2 big thumbs up. Look at all the chrome on here and the lights. All this foil chrome trim is beautiful. Usually that's peeling off, but beautiful interior. Big old trunk compartments restored beautifully. All painted real nice. Has a matching tire and wheel. Spare. Jack is restored. The nice liner with the cardboard sides. Weather strips. Everything inside the trunk is also immaculate. Getting back to the interior. All new cushions in the seats. So the seats are firm like new, and the upholstery fits like a drum. The whole dash sparkles. All the knobs, lenses, everything about it sparkles. It's a heater delete car, so it's kind of cool. It has a factory heater delete plate where the controls would be, and also a clock delete plate. Big old center console. It's part of the XL, and it's all sparkling and beautiful. Back to the engine compartment. It's all stock. The right valve covers and all the markings and stickers. And if you notice on the firewall, there's no heater box. It has the hood insulation. It does have some seat belts for the front passengers. They're blue. They say Ford. Headliner is white, and the visors, they're in excellent shape. Let's fire it up and hear them big dual quads. Actually, the second one doesn't really kick in until you really are tromping on it. Also has some aftermarket vintage Stuart Warner oil pressure and temperature gauge below the dash. Yeah, now that sounds like a muscle car. You hear the lopey cam that's in there. Said the second floor barrel doesn't really open up till you're really on it. You can just hear the air they start to suck in. And I gotta say it just one more time, sitting in this car is impressive. The dash just sparkles. It's hard to get an interior to look this good. You can throw new carpets and upholstery, but all the little doodads and trim, and this is loaded with chrome inside, and it's all beautiful. And I love it when the door shuts that nice too. So go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the specs. I'm going to verify the numbers and codes, and I'll post all that on our description. Plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people that will help answer questions about the car, the process, the shipping, the financing. Let us know how we can help you get this car or one of the other ones on our website. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting some awesome cars, and we got a bunch more we're going to do today that lets you know first as the videos are put out there. So thanks for watching.